Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys or explaining to you guys how you can make money on Instagram. So let's get right into it. Now, there are two main ways which I would like to mention, neither of which I know specifically how to do, since my accounts do not fulfill the quotas for that, but there are two main ways. One way is you can have an Instagram shop. You can open it up very similarly to the TikTok shop. You just enter your product into it and sell products online via Instagram, and that is basically the first method which I wanted to mention. People can just go to the marketplace on Instagram, search your account, browse your shop, and buy items, and that is pretty much it. But the second option is you can become an Instagram partner through the partner program. I'm really not in the loop on how you can become one. I'm pretty sure your account needs to do well, have a certain amount of statistics, but I don't have those statistics on my account currently, so I don't know what the conditions are. But you can become an Instagram partner and then post up your posts as ads or something of the sort, if I remember correctly, and then from there you will gain money, or you will be paid by Instagram for the traction your posts get, and that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.